Hi friends, it's Miss Mackenzie. We are going to be working on measurement today. I have a ruler. We're going to be talking about inches and centimeters. And I've included on your drive, you should have a printable version of a ruler if you don't have one at home. So you can print it out and use it to measure objects around your house. So first of all, I just wanted to give you a little tutorial. This should be review for most of you, how to use a ruler, but I wanted to just kind of show you. There's a few tricks with when measuring. One of them is you want to make sure that you're using the right side of the ruler. So my ruler is labeled. One side is inches and the other side is centimeters, and the abbreviation for centimeters is cm. So I'm going to start in measuring in inches, so I'm going to use this side. If you'll see, it starts with 1 and it goes all the way to 12, so it's 12 inches long. So I don't want to measure just starting in the middle of my ruler. I always want to start on the end where we have the lowest number. So if I actually start on the end and measure my notebook, I can see that it goes to the end of the 5. So my notebook is 5 inches. Now, if I just start measuring with centimeters and didn't flip over my ruler, I'm going to have an incorrect measurement. So I want to make sure I'm turning it over and I'm doing the same thing. So I'm going to measure my notebook now in centimeters. So if I line it up at the end, I'm going to start with 0. It looks like it's in between the 12 and the 13. So we call that 12.5 centimeters, my notebook would be. So I brought a few other items to just demonstrate how to measure. I have a Sharpie and a phone. So I'm going to measure my Sharpie in centimeters and my phone in inches. So let's check that out. So if I hold my ruler up and I start on the end, remember I want to start on the 0 end, not on the highest end, and I line up my Sharpie, it looks like it goes, this one goes in between too. It's in between the 13 and the 14. So we call that 13.5. So my Sharpie is 13.5 centimeters. All right, now I'm going to do my phone, but I'm going to use inches to do that one. So I'm going to flip over my ruler. Now your ruler might have both on one side, so you want to make sure that you take a peek at that before you start flipping over your rulers. So let's see. Let me measure my phone in inches. Okay. So this looks like it's in between the 5 and the 6. Can you see that? Inches. So we call that 5.5 inches. So for your activity, you're going to just be measuring using inches and centimeters. I've included a worksheet of objects for you to measure around your house, like a shoe or a pencil. So you're going to do that on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, I want you guys to find 5 items around your house that you are curious about and you want to measure. So 5 different items, then we're on your paper from Tuesday. On Wednesday, you're going to figure out, you're going to measure some items around your house that you might be interested in, like maybe a toy or a Lego, or you might want to measure your mom's shoe, your toothbrush, whatever you'd like, okay? So we're going to be working on measurement using centimeters and inches. It just shows you how to use a ruler as a little reminder in case you have just need a refresher. Our brains sometimes need to wake back up. And then I will see you again on Thursday for a new lesson. All right, bye.